On the 18th of August 2020, Ark Invest funds ARKK and ARKW sold a combined total of over 40,000 shares of Tesla. Now, on the 20th of August 2020, Ark Invest funds ARKK, ARKQ, and ARKW sold a further combined total of over 22,000 shares of Tesla. Surely you think that's enough by now, right? Nope. On the 21st of August 2020, Ark Invest funds ARKK, ARKQ, and ARKW sold a further combined total of over 19,000 shares of Tesla stock. So in total, guys, for this week alone, Cathie Wood, the leader of Ark Invest and one of Tesla's biggest bulls, sold off a whopping 82,699 shares of Tesla stock. Warren Buffett famously said, "Be fearful when others are greedy." What's going on, guys? My name's Emmanuel and welcome to my channel. And yes, guys, as unbelievable as it sounds, Cathie Wood, the leader of Ark Invest, who is also arguably one of Tesla's biggest bulls, has been selling off their Tesla shares in large quantities this week. Now, it's important to remember, guys, that Ark Invest is an actively managed ETF, okay? Which means that the fund managers or the teams responsible for managing that fund are in charge and in control of portfolio allocation. They can also change the sector allocations, and they can also market time trades. And the unique quality of Ark Invest and why I actually respect them the most is mainly for their complete transparency. They are completely transparent with all the trades made in each fund. The average retail investor like us are able to go onto their website and track their daily trading decisions. But this week's massive Tesla sell-off, I believe, changes everything. And it's something us retail investors need to be aware of. We need to keep a close eye on the big money movements in this game, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you the different types of fund accounts and which ones hold Tesla positions. I'll also show you in detail their recent Tesla trades from this past week. We'll look through some of the things Cathie Wood and Ark Invest have previously stated regarding their Tesla price targets. And also we'll take a look at their bear thesis. And lastly, guys, we'll try to figure out why Cathie Wood and Ark Invest have been selling off their Tesla stock. Before we dive into this video, guys, if you appreciate the exclusive inside scoop that I'm giving you, please give this video a thumbs up, guys. And if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with my latest stock analysis, any major stock news that I find, and everything related to stocks. We are closing in on the 2,000k subscriber mark, guys, and it will be really amazing if we can cross that milestone. So with that said, guys, let's hop into today's video. Okay, guys, so we are now on Ark Invest's homepage, and the link is ark-funds.com, okay? And straight away, you can see they have 5 actively managed ETFs, which they have branded the Innovations ETF, okay? So you have the ARKK, which is the Ark Innovation ETF. You have the ARKQ, which is the Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF. You have the ARKW, which is their Next Generation Internet ETF. They have the ARKG, which is to do with Genomics Revolution ETF. And they have the ARKF, which is their FinTech Innovation ETF. So they are all actively managed innovations ETF, guys, okay? So of the 5 ETFs, their Tesla holdings can be found in the Ark Innovation, so that's ARKK, and you can also find their Tesla holdings in the ARKQ as well as the ARKW, okay? So these are the funds which hold their Tesla positions, okay? And just by taking a look at the ETF's performance, guys, you can see why they are one of the most sought after ETFs right now due to their incredible growth. I mean, year to date, guys, they are up over 70%. And just within the last 3 months alone, they are up 40%. And for the last month, guys, they are up over 15%, okay? These returns are phenomenal, especially for an ETF, okay? And they are making a strong argument for the benefits of an actively managed ETF over your traditional passively managed ETF. Okay guys, so we're now in the ARKK Innovation Fund, and to have a look at their holdings, you just literally click on top 10 holdings, and as you can see in the ARKK funds, 10% of that fund is Tesla. Okay, in the ARKQ fund, Tesla currently takes up 10.64%. Okay, and finally in the ARKW fund, Tesla takes up 10.51% currently. Okay guys, and if you've been paying attention to Tesla's recent exponential growth this year, you can appreciate that the massive growth of these three funds have been largely due to Tesla, and that's a fact guys, you can't argue with that. So let's move on to the trades that they've made this week in greater detail. Okay, so as you can see here guys, we are now looking at the trades that Ark Invest made this week, and this is specifically on the August the 18th 2020. All right, so as you can see guys, they bought a few shares of a couple of companies, they sold a few, and here we are guys. Look at ARKK, they sold Tesla, right? On the 18th of August, they sold Tesla. They sold 37,767 shares of Tesla. So that's from the ARKK fund. All right, and that's not all guys. If you take a look here, they sold even more Tesla in the ARKW fund, again on the 18th of August. So this is a week just gone, and they sold 2,950 shares of Tesla. So moving on to the 20th of August, and you can see they've been buying and selling a couple of shares as well. And even look guys, a familiar name, Square. They sold 14,496 shares of Square on the 20th of August. But we're not here for Square, we're here for Tesla. So take a look guys, just 2 days after, the ARKK fund, they sold even more Tesla shares. They sold 18,919 shares of Tesla. And it wasn't only that fund that was busy, because you can see here the ARKQ fund also sold 1,311 shares of Tesla. And lastly guys, the ARKW fund, they sold 2,657 shares of Tesla. This is slowly racking up guys, and you would think this is it, but nope. On the 21st of August guys, they were even selling more Tesla. So the ARKK fund here sold 9,285 shares of Tesla. The ARKQ fund sold 5,076 shares of Tesla. And lastly guys, the ARKW fund sold 4,734 shares of Tesla. So guys, these are massive sell-offs. Okay, and I actually revisited a video of mine that I posted on the 14th of July. All right, it was a video describing Workhorse. Okay, but you can see here Tesla Inc. is ranked number 1. Okay, and that was in the ARKQ fund. The portfolio weight of Tesla was at 11.91%, which means since the 14th of July, at least for the ARKQ fund, they have now sold over 1% of their Tesla position as the price continues to rally. Okay, now this is significant because Cathie Wood has always been extremely bullish on Tesla. I mean, suggesting extremely optimistic price targets. As you can see from this headline back in February, it reads, money manager says she has a very high confidence Tesla's share will reach 7,000 per share in the next 5 years. So Cathie Wood is extremely bullish. Okay, so moving on, the article also reads that money manager Cathie Wood told CNBC on Wednesday that she stands by her latest 5-year price target of 7,000 per share for Tesla. Okay, it quotes her by saying, our confidence level that this stock is heading for $7,000 over the next 5 years is very high. Okay, Wood, the founder and CEO of Ark Investment Management, said on Fast Money. Okay, and even more bullish guys, it says the firm's most recent best case scenario is for Tesla to reach $15,000 a share by the end of 2020, while their bear case is $1,500 a share. So if their price target is 7,000 a share, then the question is, why have they been selling at 1,800, 1,900, and even on Friday, as you saw from their latest trades, they were selling at $2,000 a share? And I think the answer to this question can be found in a very recent interview that Cathie Wood did
on IBD's YouTube channel. And I strongly suggest, guys, that you go and watch this interview. It was posted a couple of days ago. But she goes into detail regarding her thoughts about the recent price moves, okay? But to summarize that interview, guys, and what she described to be the bear thesis for Tesla at $1,500 a share, is that price target of $15 a share is assuming that Tesla has no ride-hailing service and that they also have no large-scale autonomous driving, okay? Well, if you look at Tesla right now, their ride-hailing and their fully autonomous driving is still a work in progress and has not yet been rolled out in a large scale as they would have expected. However, when you take a look at what Tesla is currently trading at, it's currently trading at $2,049 a share. So nothing new from a technological advancement standpoint has been announced, yet the price has been parabolic, guys. It's trading at $2,049, okay? And we know that the only rational explanation for this parabolic move is the news of the stock split and also the upcoming Battery Day event within the next few weeks. That's it. That's literally it.
Guys, so here's my thoughts. I do think that Cathie Wood feels that greed has pushed Tesla's stock price into overvalued territory. Her bearish thesis for Tesla is 1500, and you could argue that Tesla is currently in her bear thesis right now, as certain criterias haven't yet been met. So I don't think that she thinks that this price is justified, and possibly, this is me speculating, possibly there might be a significant price correction that could be looming, guys. And therefore it makes complete logical sense to start taking some of your profits now, as Ark Invest are clearly doing. Guys, share in the comment section below what you think of Cathie Wood's decisions to start taking profits. And also, if you're a Tesla shareholder, are you also considering taking some profits in the next coming week? Whatever your thoughts are, guys, just comment in the section below and let's get the conversation started. Ultimately, guys, make sure you do your own due diligence and your own analysis before you decide to invest in any stock. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. I just love researching, investing, and talking about stocks. All the links to help you with your investing are in the description below, including some books that I highly recommend. Plus, my broker Trading 212 will send us both a free share if you sign up using my link in the description below. With all that said, guys, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you want to see more content from me. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.